New solar system. AC200 plus B300. About 5,000 watts of power. The B300 battery came today from FedEx warehouses in City of Industry, California, US. Let's unpack it. All 80 pounds. Let's look at the B300. AC input, 500 watts. Solar input, 200 watts 12 to 60 volts, 10A. AC plus solar input, 700 watts. DC output, 112 volts/10A. Cigarette lighter port. USB output, 118 watts USB-A, 100 watts USB-C. How to turn on the charging of the AC200. From the external B300 battery. Press and hold the on circle button on the B300 for 10 seconds until the green circle flashes. The AC200 has a special cable built to tie the B300/230 battery to the AC200. The voltage into the AC200 cable is 13/34 volts depending if the battery is switch on or off. The cable plugs into the solar port. No solar input when using external B300. The AC200 will display over 600 watts. On the solar input, top/left corner of the screen. When the AC200 is fully charged, 0 will be displayed. Here's my goal. I like to run my fridge, lights, dehumidifier and maybe freezer. This is varying wattage between 100 to 600 watts per day for a week.